everyone, today I read the book named Calves. Calves. Hoof, tail, teeth, puncture. Look for these words and picture as you read. Have you ever seen a calf? A calf is a baby cow. It drinks milk. Hoof. Look at the calf hoof. It has 2 toes. The hoof is half. Teeth. Look at the calf's teeth. There are 8 baby teeth. They are only on the bottom. Tail. Look at the calf's tail. It has hair and the end is wax sliced away. Look at the calf's puncture. It is strong. It spoons off the grass. A calf chews grass. It chews 8 hours a day. It will grow big and strong. Okay, this book even has quick games, so let's finish the book. Okay, now let's say goodbye. Bye bye.